This kit comes with the tool bag, a charger, drill, and a 1.5 amp battery. I'm using the first gear, and now let's try the second gear. Highest torque setting, almost. Let's try the highest torque setting, 15, all the way here. These are the base models. They don't give you the battery indicator, they're like the 2 amp does. And they are, of course, compatible with all of its battery lineup, such as this 6 amp battery. We can get the 5 amp, 4 amp, 2 amp. I usually just use the 2 amp for its portability. There is a plastic clutch to adjust the torque. So if it gets a lot of resistance, it will stop and you have to increase the torque in order for it to run. And the speed setting, the first one runs slower than the second gear. There is one LED light under the drill. Bell clip. Of course, it is compatible with this sort of hex wrench, hex drill bit. You loosen by rotating it counterclockwise, insert the bit, and tighten it like this. Or you can hold it and press the trigger, and it will lock in place. There are many accessories you can get for the drill and impact driver. Hold it and reverse the gear. Install bits. You always start at the first gear to establish the hole first, then increase the speed depending on your need. Oh, I forgot to mention this trigger lock, safety lock. If you push it all the way to the right side, it's gonna reverse. The center position is the lock. Then push it to the left. It's gonna do the clockwise rotation. The same applies to the impact driver. And the drill has a lot of torque as well, but it will not apply that instant hammer action. And it's just a simple rotation. Just like the impact driver, the deeper it presses, the faster it goes. If you want to invest a little bit more, here's the brushless version of this drill. It is shorter and more powerful. XR means extra runtime. It is more battery efficient.